Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create collections on Steam. There are two kinds of collections, and I will show you how to create both. The first type of collection is just to organize your library. Hover over Library at the top of Steam and choose Collections. Next, choose Create a new collection. After that, you can choose between creating one that you have to update yourself when your library grows, or a dynamic one which updates itself. After choosing one, click on it and a collection will be made. Now you can start adding your games to it, and as you can see, they are now at the top of my library list. The second kind of collection is a collection for one specific game. You can add all kinds of things to it from the workshop of the game. To create such a collection, go to the game you would like to make one for and click on Workshop. In the workshop of the game, click on something you would like in your collection. When done so, click on Add to Collection. It will tell you that you don't have any collections for the game yet. In this pop-up, click here to create one. Now choose a title, branding image, and a description. Finally, choose a collection type. There are 3 options for CS2, but this depends on the game. Items that are a set is for when you have a set of items that you created and want voted on together. Items that work together is for when you have a set of mods that complement each other, or a set of maps that you think should be played in a certain order. And items that users should choose between is for when you have a set of mods, maps, or items that you want users to choose between. Maybe you have different configurations you want to let users select from, or maybe they are variations that suit different playstyles. After choosing one, scroll down and click on Save and Continue to create the collection. To add something to the collection, just click on whatever you would like to add to your collection in the workshop of the game and click on Add to Collection. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.